in Paramount, California, ICE did a whole bunch of raids, and there were protests in response. Big response from the community. Props to the members in the community that said, hell no, you shouldn't be treating anybody this way. ICE doesn't have any legal authority to do what they're doing. The Trump regime doesn't have any legal authority to do what they're doing. Right wingers, you have to understand how, like, go back to high school civics. You really need to learn how government actually works. You need to know what and who is protected by our Constitution. The founders knew how to differentiate between when something applied to only a citizen and how something applied to everyone. And the Fifth Amendment right, Eighth Amendment right, Fourth Amendment right, Sixth Amendment rights, and First Amendment rights all fall under, they apply to everyone. You're just wrong if you think otherwise. If you think it's wrong that people can come onto US soil and have a bunch of rights, it's a sad day for you. But that's the case. Go to North Korea or something. I don't know. I don't know where to go. To Saudi Arabia. Go to somewhere where, rights are highly questionable or they don't exist. But you live in America, and that's the way it is right now. So it's a sad day for you. So there were massive raids in Paramount, California. I think that was yesterday. And then today, they had massive raids in Los Angeles, and there was a big public response, and there's still protests happening. They sent in the troopers. I think it's the state police, and now here's the update. So Trump has just signed to have 2,000 National Guard troops come in. Pete Hegseth has said that they're going to potentially send in the Marines to basically do law enforcement. What does this mean? The state guard and the Marines would be under the control of Gavin Newsom. In order for Trump to take control of these people, that implies that they're planning on using the Insurrection Act. This should worry you, because with the Insurrection Act, that could also mean they use martial law. Normally, we do not use the military to do duties that like police officers tend to do. But effectively, they're going to use the National Guard to do police duties, to quell the quote unquote violence of the peaceful protesters that are outraged because the government is acting illegally and doing horrific things to people that are just members of the community. Like, they went into a Home Depot and grabbed people that were working and claim, like, I don't know, somehow these people are dangerous. Hegseth and Trump are all acting like the migrants that are here, that are like, a lot of them are following the legal process around the United States. They have been going in and grabbing people that were